price includes patent rights, packaging, custom duty, delivering to job site, and required services in review of design and supervision of construction. Borrow material is a contract item and presently costs $1.80 per cubic yard, excavated, graded, and delivered to the job site. Erection of the skin plate elements, placing and compaction of the fill material were paid by force account. At the time when equipment and labor were mobilized at the highest work peak, the unit cost of compacted fill was at the lowest cost of $3.50 per cubic yard of fill, and the total unit cost including labor, equipment, steel, and fill material was at its lowest cost of $7.40 per cubic yard of fill.